Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on January 8, 2026, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. Turning to market performance at the Colombo Stock Exchange, the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, ended the day at 23,527.13, gaining 233.28 points, which represents a 1% increase compared to the previous trading session. Meanwhile, the S&P SL 20 index also posted strong performance, closing at 6,458.03, up by 94.18 points, marking a 1.48% gain. Overall, the market sentiment remained bullish, supported by broad-based buying interest across selected counters. Turning to market activity, the total market capitalization stood at LKR 8,376.64 billion at the close of trading. Total market turnover for the day amounted to LKR 12.33 billion, while crossings totaled LKR 4.9 billion. The highest crossings recorded today were in Lee Hedges plc and Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc. Investor participation was led by domestic investors during the day. Domestic purchases amounted to LKR 11,019.84 million, accounting for approximately 89% of total market buying, while foreign purchases stood at LKR 1,308.36 million, representing the remaining 11%. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded sales of LKR 9,345.05 million, contributing 76% of total market sales. Foreign sales were relatively lower at LKR 2,983.15 million, accounting for 24% of total sales. Now, let's look at the top gainers of the day. Wealth Trust Securities Limited led the market, followed by SMB Finance, non-voting. Ceylon Hospitals recorded gains in both its non-voting and voting shares, while Lee Hedges also ended the day higher. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. TES Agro, non-voting, led the decline, followed by Mercantile Shipping Company and Alpha Fire Services. UB Finance and Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust also closed the day lower. Now, let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Hatton National Bank led the contributions, followed by Sampath Bank and Commercial Bank of Ceylon. DFCC Bank and Central Finance Company also made notable positive contributions to the index. Here is a simple and polished presentation-style draft. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. Harson Cumberbatch led the decline, followed by Richard Puris and Company and Ceylon Guardian Investment Trust. Access Engineering and ACL Cables also contributed negatively to the index. Thank you.